And hello, ladies and gentlemen. How is everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Nissan key fob. If you're having trouble getting into your car, it's usually because the battery is low. And I'm going to show you how to change the battery on these little key fobs. So let's go ahead and get started. And here we have the Nissan key fob. Turn it around to the back side, there'll be a small lever. Go ahead and push that down or push it up to unlock the secret skeleton key that is inside. So if you are locked out and this unit does not have power, it's obviously not going to open the door. So this will be the skeleton key that will give you access to the door to unlock the car, so you can at least get inside and press this against the ignition button, and it should be able to start the car with that, just enough to get home, so you can get another battery. So here we have the unit. On the underside here, you'll see two small indents. We'll go ahead and get a small Phillips screwdriver to open up the unit. So you'll see these two small indents. We'll gently pry these up and open. Careful with this because it's fragile plastic. See that it opens up a little. Go ahead and pull it apart. Once it's apart, pull that out. This is the electrics part of the key fob, where the buttons are. As you see, we'll put that gently to the side. Go ahead and remove the old battery. Screwdriver, you'll see a small indent here on the top, just enough to get a screwdriver in to remove the old battery. Your replacement battery will be a CR2032. CR2032. Hopefully that comes up on the camera. This writing will go to the bottom. Go ahead and put one corner in, push it down. There'll be the battery with the writing facing to the bottom will be the bottom. This smaller one with all these little holes you see will be facing up. Because if you put it the other way, like I just did a second ago, it will not work because the battery is actually backwards. So that was in take one. You didn't see that. Here we have key fob back together. If you want to test it, we'll go ahead and try it. And I just heard my car in the parking lot, so it actually did work. So key fob is working with its new battery. So that is how you change the battery on your key fob. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you change the battery on your Nissan key fob. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a like, thumbs up. If you have any other questions about changing the battery on your key fob, please leave it in the comments. If not, have a great day. Thank you for watching.